Hi there! In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to generate a manufacturer requirements report in OneClick Code. This is perfect for restoration estimates and claims when there are no local codes in your area. To get started, let's create our project. On your dashboard, go to Projects and click on Create Project. Enter the address you want to work with, and once your desired address pops up, click Submit. You will now be taken to your building code details. To unlock all the information, click Unlock in one of the sections, and then Submit. Next up, choose the type of property, either residential or commercial, and then select the roof type. Click Submit again. Now your report is unlocked. Scroll down and click on Create Report under the Manufacturer Requirements section. This takes you to a list of top roofing manufacturers. For the purpose of this example, I'm selecting GAF. Then under Shingle type, I'll choose Woodland. But of course, you should pick the exact product and manufacturer that match your project. Click Create Report, and just like that, the Manufacturer Requirements PDF is ready to download. In the report, you'll also find a direct link to manufacturer-specific installation requirements. Just click View Shingle Manufacturer Specifications to access them instantly. The installation requirements are tailored to the specific shingle type and manufacturer selected, ensuring you're always working with the correct installation standards, saving you time and helping avoid costly mistakes or rejections down the line. This report is a huge help for roofing pros because it clearly shows what's required versus recommended. Get your insurance-ready documents to accelerate the claims process and timeline to get paid. Saves you time by not having to track down manufacturer specs. Ensures compliance with the specific installation requirements from the manufacturer. It's especially useful in areas where local codes don't cover the full picture, giving you confidence that you're meeting both code and manufacturer standards every time. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your free trial with OneClick Code today. See you next time.